The kanji that we learned today have the onyomi reading like shutsu, shutsu, sui, sui, and the kunyomi reading deru, deru, dasu, dasu. If you just read only the kunyomi reading, you can say only de. But when you say to be the word, you can say deru or dasu. And this kanji have the meaning that is it, leave, go out, come out, put out, or produce. So every time you learn the Japanese kanji, you should remember the pronunciation of onyomi reading and the kunyomi reading and the meaning. This kanji, you just remember that it have the meaning that is sit or go out or come out. So now we have to learn about how to use when you use this kanji to make the compound word, and we learn the meaning. In here we have the word like shujo. Shujo. Shujo is mean business trip. Shushin. Shushin. Shushin is mean person's original. Person original is mean where are you from, your home country that you was born. For example, you can make a question like あなたの出身はどこですか? あなたの出身はどこですか? Which means where is your hometown, or where are you from, something like this. So actually when Japanese say about shushin, it means the place that you was born in. For example, your original hometown, or you was born in Hiroshima, you can say 私の出身は広島です。どこの出身人ですか? Which means what is the person are you coming from? That means the place that you live when you was a child and you grow up in this place. If you from China, you can say 私の出身は中国です。出版 is mean publication. It means something that you public out or you write out and public to the publication. This can 出版。出席 is mean attendance. In here we have the kanji of shutsu and seki. Shutsu is mean you go out, or you visit, or you live, right? But the seki is mean the place you the place that you sit down. So in here we put together that mean you go out and sit down. That means you go to some place and you attend there's event. For example, the party or something. For example, the school or whatever to be the something event that happen. So say shuseki, which means attendance. 今日は田中さんは出席しませんですか? Which means 田中さん don't join us today. 出席 which means you attended something. 出血 is mean breathing. In here we see that we have the kanji of shutsu, which mean go out, right, or is it that But ketsu is from the kanji ji. Ji is mean blood. So when you put the kanji of get out and the kanji of blood together is mean breathing. And you can say shuketsu, shupatsu. Shupatsu is mean departure. For example, when you go to the travel, so you can ask what time will be departure. So it mean nanji ni shupatsu shimasu ka, which mean shupatsu, which mean when will we get out, or when will we leave, which mean shupatsu. Senshutsu. Senshutsu is mean election. Sen, the kanji of sen is from the kanji the sentaku. Sentaku is mean you choose something, and shutsu is mean you get out. So that means you get out and you choose something. So it's mean election. Senshutsu. Shusha. Shusha. Shusha is mean going to work. It means you go to work, or you're going to work, or you go to the office. They call shusha. Sha is from the kaisha no sha, right? Sha is mean company. Kaisha is mean company. So that kanji is mean when you put with the kanji or shu. Shu is mean leave for work, leave for the company. So it mean shusha is mean going to work. 今日は田中さんは出社しますか？いいえ、出社しません。which means no. 田中さん is not going to work. 出る is mean leave, is it, or going out, or come out. 何時に出ますか？ which means what time will we leave? Deguchi is mean exit or the gateway. Every time when you go to Japan and you enter to the exit gateway, you will see that they will say Deguchi. Or when you work in the many floor building, you see that they will write something like Deguchi is mean the way that you get out, or they can say exit. De is mean get out, right? Kuchi is mean from the, this mean to be the door, to mean to the mouth. Kuchi is from the mouth, so Deguchi is mean the way that you get out. Deili is mean coming and going. This means the place that you can get out and you can come in. Dei is mean meeting or encounter. We can say deatta, which means you found something by yourself. You can say deatta. Or dei means you found something by yourself. Midashi is mean headline. Mi is mean you look at, but dashi is mean get out. So you can say put together it mean the headline. Hikidashi is mean drawer. Hiki is mean you put back, right? Dashi is mean you get out. So when you put together, it can be like hikidashi, which means drawer.